So friends, today I will be talking about A search of artificial intelligence. A search. A search is a combination of lowest cost, fast and best fast searches that considers both path cost and heuristic information. It is selection of which path to expand. For each path on the frontier, he uses an estimate of the total path cost from a start node to a goal node constrained to start along that path. It uses cost p, that cost of the path found, as well as heuristic function hp. The hp also tells in algorithm the estimated path cost from the end of p to the goal. For any path p on the frontier, define fp if cost equal to cost p, h and p. This is a type of algorithm in artificial intelligence. This is an estimate of the total path cost to follow path P, then go to a goal node. If n is the node at the end of path P, this can be depicted as follows. Start, actual, that is the in between is n, estimate, and goal, cost P, h and p in algorithm, and fp. This cost and P, H and P, FP are also known as algorithms of AI. If H n is an underestimate of the path cost from node to goal node, then if P is then FP is an underestimate of a path cost of going from a start node to a goal node via P. A is implemented by treating the frontier as a priority queue ordered by F and P, a property that A always finds an optimal path if one exists, and that the first path found to a goal is optimal is called that admissibility of A. Admissibility means that even when the search space is infinite, if solutions exist, a solution will be found and their first path found will be an optimal solution. A lowest cost path from a start node to a goal node. Proposition and admissibility. If there is a solution A, always find a solution and their first solution found is the optimal solution if number 1, the branching factor is finite, each node has only a finite number of neighbors means I can tell a limited number of neighbors. Number 2, arc costs are greater than sum 0, and the next point is Hn, a mathematical algorithm, is a lower bound on the actual minimum cost of the lowest cost path from n to a goal node. Proof. I am telling a proof. Part A solution will be found if the arc costs are all greater than sum, which is less than the arc 0. Eventually, for all paths, if the arc is greater than 0, cost p will exceed any finite number, means limited number, and thus will exceed a solution cost if one exists at depth exists at depth in a search tree no greater than m, or where m is solution cost. Because the branching factor is finite, only a finite number of nodes must be expanded before a search tree could get to this size, but the A search would have found a solution by then. I am telling this is, I can also tell an example how Google is made. Google is also made by A search. It is made by A search, but the typical search that is in Google is B search and C search, which are much higher and greater level from A search. Now I will be telling proof part A again. It is a proof, so I will be telling again. A solution will be found if the arc costs are all greater than sum, means 0 is small and arc is greater. Eventually, for all paths P is the frontier cost P and exit any finite number and limited number, and thus will exceed a solution cost if one exists at depth in a search tree no greater than m where m is the solution cost. Because the branching factor is finite, only a finite number of nodes must be expanded before the search tree could get to this size, but the A search would have found a solution by then. Part B. The first path to a goal selected is an optimal path. The f value for any node on the optimal solution path is less than or equal to the f value or optimal solution. This is because h is underestimate of the actual cost from a node to a goal. Thus, the f value of a node and on an optimal solution path is less than the f value for any non-optimal solution. Thus, a non-optimal solution can never be chosen while a node exists on the frontier that leads to an optimal solution, because the element with minimum f value is chosen at each step. So before it can select a non-optimal solution, it will have to pick all of the nodes on an optimal path, including each of the optimal solutions. It should be noted that the admissibility of A does not ensure that every intermediate node selected from the frontier is on an optimal path from the start node to a goal node. Admissibility relieves the algorithm from worrying about cycles and ensuring that here it is written cycles means AI cycles, and ensures that the first solution found will be optimal. It does not ensure that algorithm will not change its mind about which partial path is the best while it is searching. Means to see how the heuristic function improves the efficiency of A. Suppose C is the cost of a shortest path from a start node to a goal node. You can tell many of the people get confused in this. What is start node and goal node? It is a simple node. You can understand. That is, you can tell in a racing example of racing from start to finish. You can also tell start node and finish node. A, which is admissible heuristic, expands every path from a start node in the set that P belongs to cost, that P, then HP, that is a mathematical calculation or algorithm that is greater, and the C is greater in this both of the algorithm cases, in this both of the algorithms, and sum of the paths in the set P, a cost P, HP, that is equal to C. It is a theory which is very risky. It is not used, you can say, but in some of the cases this theory of algorithm is used. Improving H effects in the efficiency of A if it reduces the size of the first of these sets. Figure 3.9 summary of search strategies. Strategy depth. First, selection from frontier. Last node added. Halts. No. Pace linear. Breadth. First node added. Yes. Halts. Yes. Pace exponential. Best first. That is strategy. Globally minimal HP. Selection from frontier. Halts. No. Space exponential. Lowest cost first. Minimal cost P. Yes. Exponential. A. Minimal cost P plus HP. Yes. Exponential. Halts means is the method guaranteed. Halt is there is a path to a goal on a possibly infinite graph with a finite number or a limited number of neighbors. for each node and where the arc costs have a positive lower bound. Those search strategies there where the answer is yes have worst case time complexity which increases exponentially with the size of the path length. Those algorithms that are not guaranteed to halt have infinite worst case time complexity. Space refers to the space complexity which is either linear in the path of length or exponential in the path of length. So friends, now I am ending my video. Please like, subscribe and comment in our channel and in this video. And today I have also uploaded a quiz in the description box. Please go through the quiz. It might be helpful to you. Thank you friends.